Converting text to columns. You can use the convert text to column wizard to separate simple cell content into different columns. Depending on how your data is organized, you can split the cell contents based on a delimiter or based on a specific column break location within your data. In the following exercise, you convert the data in column A to two columns. Step by step, convert text to columns. Launch Excel if necessary. Open the 10 Fabricant Alarm Codes workbook and then save it to your Excel Lesson 10 folder as 10 Fabricant Alarm Code Solution. Then select cell E2 to A8. A8. Then click the data tab and then in the tab tools group, click text to columns. Then the convert text to column wizard open with delimited selected as the default because Excel recognized that the data in the selected range is separated with commas. Click next to move to the next step in the wizard. Then select comma as the delimiter. If other delimiters are checked, deselect them. Click next and then click finish. Data is separated into 7 columns to help identify the columns. Type the text shown in the row 1 of the figure below. Apply the heading 3 style to the range A1 to O1. Then increase the width of column AG as necessary, A to G as necessary if you can see the cell contents. Then save the workbook. Then using the left function. The left function evaluates a string and takes any number of characters on the left side of the string. The format of the function is left. The first string in the alarm data workbook contains the employee's phone, extension, and floor number, which you extract by using the left function. Step by step, using the left function. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click cell H1, type AXT, and then in I1 type floor to label the columns. Then select cell H2, click the formulas tab. In the function library group, click text and choose left. The function arguments dialog box opens. In the text box, click A2 and then press tab. In the numbers charts box, type 3 and press tab. The preview should show 4 to 5. Then click OK and double click on the file handle in the lower right corner to cell H2 to copy the formula in H2 to H3, H8. Then select cell I2, click the recent use button and then select left. In the text box, type A2, then click tab. In the number charts box, type 1, click OK. Copy the formula in A2 to A3, I3 to I8. Then save the workbook. Save the workbook and leave. Then using the right function. The right function is almost identical to the left function, except that the function returns the number of characters on the right side of the string. In the alarm codes file, the first converted column contains the 5-digit employee ID and the N, and the alarm code in column E contains the employee's birth month. Step by step using the right function. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click cell G1 and then type birthday. Then, in cell K1, type MPD ID.
Dako.
Hmm.
Dako dalam.
Ag-ipon, tapos din ag-MP, kamay, ID dagko. Then, to level the columns, select cell G2, click the formulas tab. Then, in the function level group, click text and choose write. The function argument dialog box open. In the text box, click A2,
Ito
then press tab. In the numbers charge box, type 3 and then press tab. The preview of the results show APR. Then click OK and copy the formula in G2 to G3, G8. Then select cell K2, type equals right.
Right.
Double click. Then type A2, 5. Then enter. Copy the formula in K2 to K8, K3, K8. Then save the workbook. Then using mid function. Mid returns character in the middle. Arguments need to include the text string and then starting point and number of characters. In the first column of the alarm file, there are codes indicating two different categories of employees. Step by step using the mid function. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click cell L1, type MPCAT1.
Dako.
Okay naman siguro. And then in cell M1, type MPCAT2 to label the columns. Then select cell L2, okay naman siguro. L2, click the formulas tab and then in the function library group, click text and choose mid. Then the function argument box open, dialog box. In the text box, click A2 and then press tab. Then the starting point of the MPCAT1 value is the fourth character of
4.
kasakto rin na. 225. So type 4 in the start. Then in the text, in the number choice box, type 2. The preview of the results show OO.
Oo.
Then click OK and copy the formula in L2 to L3, L8. Then select cell into, then type equals mid, ito, comma, 6, 2. Then press enter.
Di na apple.
Yes. Then copy the formula in M2 to M3, M8. Save the workbook. Okay na. Then using trim. Sometimes there are extra spaces in a cell, either at the end or in the beginning of the string, especially after converting a text file like the alarm file. See the SP first and SP last columns. The trim function removes characters at both ends of the string. There is only one argument, text, thus the syntax of the function is trim. Step by step using the trim function. With the workbook from the previous exercise, click cell N1, type first,
Dako.
kamay. And then in cell O1, type last to label the columns. Then click cell N2, click the formulas tab, and then in the function library group, click text and choose trim. The function argument dialog box opens. In the text box, click B2. Then in the text